Dear students, welcome to my channel. My name is Krishna, your BBS trainer. In this video, I am going to explain how to calculate the column ring. Means from the footing itself, how to calculate the column ring for the 200 mm width column. Because we have learned all the 300 column sizes from the footing to ground floor and ground floor to first floor. And in this video we are learning, so directly 200 mm column is rising from the footing itself. Those two levels we are going to learn. For that I am taking one example of C34 column. So maybe another 510 column is there. Just I will explain this one column for from footing to first floor level. So I am taking the C34 in the footing to ground floor level. So here is there one outer ring is there, two inner ring and three hook. So for that what we have to do, we have to go to the ring calculation from the footing to ground floor. Here what you have to do, so we have did some 4 columns examples. In that one column detail I am copying and inserting below one line. So I am taking, this is the C34 column. I am giving serial number C34. I am giving serial number 34 and column number C34. And in this column there is no diamond ring, so take out the diamond ring. So diamond ring will go. So and this outer ring is 1 number, center ring is 2 number, and hook is 3 number. And the column size is 900 by 200, 900, and this is 200, 200. And this is the column height where we have to take, means this is the column height, we have to take it from the column main rod what we calculated, no, C34, and the same C34 column height only we have to take. Here I am generated this column height for the ring. So how much this column height it will come in the C34 main column, so that same height has to be taken over here. That is the 3.35, that is there in the meter, and I have entered over in the millimeter. And the same 135-degree bend and 90-degree bend, number of 90-degree bends are same for the outer ring, center ring and hook. And dia of the rod is dia of the ring is 8 mm, and this is the corner column rod dia to calculate the center ring. This corner column rod dia is 16 dia, and this center ring, this internal center ring dia also 16. This both are 16. And this cover is 40 mm as it is, and the spacing is 200 mm for the ring. This is the ring spacing what he has given over here. This is the ring spacing, that is also 200 mm. And here diamond ring hypotenuse is not required, and diamond ring spacing also is not required. And this is one side number of column rod between diamond ring is there, no, here there is no diamond ring, that's why we have to take one side number of column rods, how much it is there. Total 16 plus 2, 18 is there. 18 means off means 9 number. This is the 9 number of rods is there one side. Then hook side, both side hook will calculate, and bend deduction will calculate. And this is the inside rod spacing, this is the X value. In this has to be taken very carefully, but this X value will not as per this 300 width column. For the 200 width column this X value will be different, because this diamond ring is not coming in this. That's why this X value means you have to take it out. We have this 200 column ring, no, so for that you have to open this 200 column. This will come over here. So you see this X value is there, no, this X value A minus 2 times of cover minus 2 times of D minus 1 corner column rod dia divided by N. So this value, this formula has to be added over here. So you see I will editing the same formula over here. So this is the E32 is the column length minus 2 times of M32, 2 times of M32 means cover. So 2 times of cover minus 2 times of P32, 2 times of P32 means this is the diamond ring space. So there is no diamond ring space, so take out this 2 times of diamond ring space, and minus 2 times of J32 means J32 is rod dia. So this is the 2 times of rod dia has to be minus K32 is the corner column rod dia. This is the corner column rod dia. 1 times has to be get minus, and divided by here n plus 1 is there, and here only divided by n. So this is the x value for this 200 mm column number of rod spacing, and this is number of center rod spacing is one number, because here this the center rod is there, no, inside this center rod only two rods are there, that's why this number of spacing is 1. So then this all other values will be calculated easily automatically. So you have to change this color and keep it for the reference when you are going to calculate this formula. When this 200 mm size column comes, then this formula has to be edited, and this diamond ring details has to be removed, and this one side number of column rods to be entered full completely, and this number of center rod spacing as it is. So this is the column ring calculation procedure for the from the footing to ground floor level. Then we'll go to ground floor to first floor. Again same thing, ground floor to first floor is also same. So control C, just insert one more line over here. This is a 34 column serial number, column number also C34. Same here also, no diamond ring, take out diamond ring and enter this column rings. So go to this C34, no, the same thing, go to first floor, ground floor to first floor. Here also same thing, one outer ring, two inner ring, and three hook is there. The same detail over there, just enter it over here. This one outer ring, two center ring, and three hooks, and column size is 900, and width is 200, and this is column height is as per this previous, how did we calculate the floor height minus beam depth. This is floor height, and 135° and 90° bends are as it is, and this is the dia of the ring, and here this is the corner column rod dia. What is the corner column rod dia over here? This is the corner column rod dia, 16 mm, and center column rod dia is how much? These are the center column rod dia. Center column rod dias are 12. Then cover is same, and rod spacing is same, and there is no hypotenuse side of diamond ring, and there is no diamond ring space, and this is one side number of column rods. So continuous one side, how much number of column rods said, that much has to be taken. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 divided by 2 means 9. Then hook length will calculate, bend deduction will do, and this is the inside rod spacing. This is the x value, no, same thing what we did in the previous floor. The same formula has to control C, and we can paste it over here, control V. So the same formula will come at this level. So next, this is number of center rod spacing is 1. So then this level ring also over. So similarly you have to calculate for all other column rings from the footing to ground floor. And first floor onwards, what we'll do, the first floor onwards, how we are calculating in the column, these typicals, no, when you are calculating these columns, the same column size and number of rods, dia of rods is matching, then the same thing can be taken into consider into this column number itself. So from here onwards you can club into this column and can go ahead. So this is the only procedure to calculate the 200 mm column ring from footing to ground floor. If anybody want this drawing and Excel sheet for their practice, just contact to this number or email ID. I will send it for your practice. I hope you people like this video. Kindly subscribe if you are not subscribed, and like and share with your friends and colleagues. And if you have any comments, please comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.